Have you seen those super popular anime videos on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok? They're everywhere, and they're getting millions and millions of views. But guess what? Making them is easier than you think, and people are making serious cash from them. In this video, I'll show you how to make your own awesome anime-style videos super quickly, and it's all thanks to AI magic. What's cool is that these videos sync perfectly with the music beats, making them look absolutely fantastic. And the best part? You can do it all for free. So, first things first, we need some pictures. We're going to use 3 websites to find them. Let's start with Pinterest. Just search for Midjourney art and add the name of your favorite anime character. For example, I'm using Luffy from One Piece. Once you've found the perfect images, it's time to download them and get creative. Second on the list is Lexica Art, offering a fantastic array of anime images that can be downloaded free of charge. The third option is Leonardo.ai, where we can create our own images if we haven't found what we need on the previous sites. I've already generated some images using a simple prompt, which I'll be incorporating into my video. Once we have our images, the next step is to convert them into a video. For this task, we'll turn to Runway ML. After logging in, we'll upload our image and click to generate without any further instructions. The image will then be transformed into a video, though we'll need to remove the added logo during the editing process. But that's not all, we'll also animate select images using the LeiaPix. To animate an image, we'll upload it to the LeiaPix and select an animation style. I'll opt for a zoom effect, adjusting the motion to 60% and setting the animation length to 5 seconds. Once done, I'll export the file, saving it for free. After animating all the desired images, we'll align the video with the beats using any video editing application, ensuring to scale up and remove any logos. To ensure optimal quality, we'll export the video in 4K resolution. However, the video's quality might not match what we see on Instagram Reels. To enhance it, we'll utilize vmake.ai. Uploading our 4K resolution video here will significantly improve its quality. Finally, with our enhanced video ready, we achieve the desired quality. In the next video, I'll demonstrate how to create a nature video using AI tools, a trend gaining popularity on Instagram and Shorts. If you're intrigued, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.